I have struggled in my close relationships and chased after love. Now that one is actually pouring out love and so purely, I can't handle it. I get scared. I feel undeserving. What do I do? So it kind of goes back to what we were talking about before in this relationship situation, that it's a disconnect from self. So when you chase someone, you are putting yourself in the position of wanting something you cannot have because you don't feel deserving of it, right? And you feel that you have to earn love. And so you don't really feel comfortable in a relationship scenario unless you are trying to earn love, because that is what you have learned it makes you worthy, right? So the only way that you can really, and so in this situation, it's difficult to know if this person who's pouring their love all over you, which, we also have to, there also needs to be some recognition of that person's boundaries, right? But it may be that when this is, I would recommend watching this video that I created on YouTube. It's called A Case of Like Sees Like. This is what I mean by the anxious partner and the avoidant partner are both the same. Within every anxious partner, there is an avoidant, and with every avoidant partner, there is an anxious. Within every, what are the words? Narcissist, there's a codependent, and within every codependent, there is a narcissist. So when you are and you've got it here, you know it, at the root of it is worthiness, right? Not feeling worthy, not feeling deserving. And so part of it is going in. So this is actually where self-work is really useful, because no amount of whatever anybody else is going to do, and you're telling us this right now, no amount of any love that someone else is going to pour all over you is going to make you feel more worthy, is it? That's work you got to do for yourself. And it doesn't mean you have to end the relationship and work on yourself first before you can step back into it. But I do think it means that you have to be actively in process with exploring those things, right? And being aware of your boundaries and honoring your boundaries, so that while you are in process and while you're exploring these aspects of yourself, you are able to feel sovereign within yourself and within the relationship, and not feel, number one, blowed over by this person, okay? Because sometimes pouring out pure love is just one way that we experience someone else's selflessness. And selflessness is not always a real expression of love, okay? So I'd actually recommend that you stay tuned to the feed, because I've been posting videos about personal boundaries and conditions of love, and I think that those videos are going to speak to a lot of what you may be experiencing right now. I just posted 2 of them. So if you just scroll through the feed, or you can also check it out under photos or videos, you'll see the most recent postings in that series.